information they now on here now for brief for Pidgin. Oh, salute all man, we the year we the listen we the see we. For Pidgin today, the baby talk we did in the last commode to Eto'o don't come out yesterday for General Assembly for Fecafoot. Samuel Eto'o don't talk plenty talk. Samuel Eto'o talk say Geremi Njitap he rule na for play against player them. He know they for protect player. He right the support club the way they know the pay salary for player them. He talk palava Bambutus de Buddha. He talk how we don't help personally Bambutus de Buddha. How we they don't come we talk say this so now he no one give the license. He want to say me they go down. How we the truth na say FIFA we don't already talk say Bambutus must go down. Na Fecafoot with he they put all their energy for protect Bambutus de Buddha. And now people for Bambutus de Buddha they don't know for manage their club. They don't turn now, they put on an Eto'o. Anything Eto'o. You don't get any personal problem with Bambutus Buddha. And the people where they define problem for Bambutus Buddha and the manager there for Bambutus Buddha, where they know the manager club correctly. Eto'o to talk saying Njitap as a deuna. Njitap the main na wuru. Ide for palaba sinafok na wuru. They give money for semi help player them. They need help player them. They take that money with the team. They put up for different core. Put up for quoi? They know what they do with that money. He say Njitap, that will be present for Fecafoot. He go be turn Njitap like grand friend, like big brother. Telling Njitap, say no, go for there, not do that one. If you go there, you go lost. You know if you win election for Fecafoot, no player, no if you win. He tell Njitap say go, I go win. Now so the team pass. He told you talk about Fecafoot headquarters where they build for Wada for Yaoundé. He say if you know how much the former Fecafoot president, then they don't chop him for that project. $5 million where they get for build that project. Any man don't chop your own money for they chop him. He don't come now, he try for do him, may happen. He say very soon, Fecafoot headquarters, they go hand him for Fecafoot, and Fecafoot go come up for Chinga, he go now for Wada, na so for Yaoundé. Chinga and Wada, they not too far. 3 billion where the people they want to corner with them. He go cut them 2 billion. Sorry, he cut them move up. They do on 1 billion. Now so the thing pass for day. And then they talk again say Minister for Sport he want peace with them. The Minister for Sport get for no say how the thing the pass na Fecafoot no for do administration for national team no be ministry. He talk about what happen for South Africa. We play at the enter hotel and they enter South Africa late. They know if you go for the other town, play no be there. If you pay hotel with the personal money, but because say now if you pay that hotel with personal money, minister be give instructions. Say me play and no sleep for day. Now so he lost that money. So now walk down for Narcisse, Mouelle Kombi and the people them. Now so the thing day. Samuel Eto'o talk about Mark Breeze. He talk about support for Mark Breeze. You know if it be against Mark Breeze for support players, you know they possible. Player they say they no same for the club and they may hang. They remove them for club, they drive them forever and ever for their club. Now so they think they. He talk say that contract when they sign out Mabri, they talk say you know get right for enter for inside wearing dressing room, na nonsense contract. And that people they know say you know they possible. Eto'o too, he talk about Rigobert song. He appreciate Rigobert song. He say Rigobert song they be putting for post semi qualify Cameroon for World Cup. It do am. They put it for post semi qualify Cameroon for African Nations Cup. It do am. But because say na Cameroonian the way they be very complex, they shame, they know they like their team when they come for their own country. They want na white man team them, na them fight Rigobert song sote he come out. He try to talk about palava way una navigator with Rigobert song. I talk why he support na coach, you know he support player. He talk about other president for club the way they make ururu, and then he appreciate Valentine Quine, president for Victoria United. Where they spend almost 1 billion every year for a club. He said, no, we know that man. Even he go Dubai, he's a plane. Valentine to be there. Valentine come to present himself. And he convinces me enter football, me support football. So Valentine quite support football. And Valentine, na a friend, you know the crash, you know the speed for a friend them, you know the deny a friend them, you know the Judah Iscariot. Now so the matter a day countryman, countrywoman, it thank plenty people them. And then they talk say this so he must be candidate. Now delegate then talk say Eto'o you must be candidate. You must be candidate for next election for December. Other people they talk say in 7 years time he can for create political party for go for elections for be president for Cameroon. Now so they talk up. No be me I talk. Now so they delegate them, they talk am. And then another story na say Messi, where he play ball, where he play basketball for America, he don't come for Cameroon team, he go be for Afro Basket, for Cote d'Ivoire, for Abidjan. Carlos Baliba own authority, supporter them for Manchester United. They contribute money now. Contribute money, paka. They want help club, may find that 120 million for move Carlos Baliba for Brighton, go for Manchester United. So now so the team they will wait for Siam. Other supporter they will contribute plenty money. We go help club for Adam for buy Carlos Baliba, bring her for Manchester United. After Manchester United sign Brian Mbeumo, we scored 22 goals last season. Countryman, countrywoman. Palava Gâteau International. Da humorist. Gâteau, he talk say Muriel Blanche, we don't follow who. Say Muriel Blanche, he follow Mokanjo. Benjamin Mokanjo. Time before he want come up pack nye. Na so Gâteau talk about some program where they call up say on tap sec. Na that Massa for Muriel Blanche, Steve Benu, he want court book for Gâteau. He said they not supposed to talk about a woman, so he don't like the way they talk about a woman. To a woman do normal supposed to talk I hope say go for court. Then for court way, he go no say no because you get money where you win case. You know me say where you start complain where you court book. It means you don't win case. Another one, Kola Sucre when a comedian na kakak man. What happen? He go dance. He put her online. Now coach one I want see him. Yeah, small food them. You anytime when you go to give fight that MMA fight, they did knock you. Now, bang, you fall. You always lost. Go begin train. People then, instead of talk about dance when the man they dance, they talk about the food. They talk about MMA. They talk about competition when they lost Cameroon or naturally they call say continent. Now for your way, the one